Nvidia unleashes cutting-edge RTX 2000 A generation GPU, a powerhouse with 19.9B transistors for AI-accelerated workflows. Nvidia has set the stage for a technological leap with the launch of its RTX 2000 A generation GPU, a graphics processing unit meticulously designed to meet the rigorous demands of AI-accelerated design and visualization. This addition to the RTX lineup, boasting an impressive 19.9 billion transistors, promises a blend of performance, versatility, and AI capabilities, making it an ideal solution for professionals across diverse fields. The RTX 2000 A generation GPU addresses the escalating need for powerful hardware in the era of generative AI, catering to businesses seeking efficient solutions for their workflows. Positioned as a compact workstation-friendly package, this GPU excels in professional workflows, outperforming its predecessor, the RTX A2000 12GB, by up to 1.5 times in tasks such as crafting 3D environments, design reviews, and industrial design. Featuring 16 GB of memory, the RTX 2000 A accommodates modern multi-application workflows seamlessly, allowing professionals to navigate AI-powered tools, multi-display setups, and high-resolution content effortlessly. Powered by Nvidia RTX technology, it introduces Nvidia Deep Learning Super Sampling DLSS, significantly enhancing the speed of producing ultra-high-quality, photorealistic ray-traced images. The impact of this advancement extends beyond graphics, making strides in enterprise virtual reality workflows, particularly in areas like product design and engineering reviews. Architects, urban planners, product designers, and engineers alike benefit from accelerated visualization workflows, rapid iteration, and generative design capabilities. Embraced by industry leaders such as Dassault Systems, Rob Walker's Design and Engineering, and WSP, the RTX 2000 A has garnered praise for its compact design, exceptional performance, and the game-changing 16 GB of RAM. Professionals emphasize its efficiency, next-generation architecture, low power consumption, and large frame buffer. Olivier Zegdoux, graphics applications R&D director for SolidWorks at Dassault Systems, highlighted the benefits of the RTX 2000 A for SolidWorks users, citing excellent performance for accelerating the development of innovative product experiences with full model fidelity. Rob Walker's, owner and senior industrial design engineer at Rob Walker's Design and Engineering, commended the GPU's impact on productivity, emphasizing its ability to handle large datasets with full fidelity and generate renders at an increased speed. The RTX 2000 A features the latest technologies in the Nvidia Ada Lovelace GPU architecture, including 3rd-generation RT cores, 4th-generation Tensor cores, CUDA cores, and enhanced power efficiency, delivering a 2 times performance boost within the same power consumption. Available through global distribution partners, major manufacturers like Dell Technologies, HP, and Lenovo will offer the GPU starting in April. Attendees at Dassault Systems 3D Experience World can witness live demos of SolidWorks applications powered by the RTX 2000 A at the Dell, Lenovo, and Z by HP booths.